Let me start with something that might save you from months of frustration if your main strategy for getting more subscribers is saying, don't forget to like and subscribe. You're wasting your time. Now, don't get me wrong, call to actions matter, okay? But if that's your growth plan, you're focusing on the wrong lever because subscribers are not convinced by reminders, they're convinced by results. And most small creators are chasing subscribers directly instead of building the kind of content that naturally creates them. So in this video, I'm going to break down how to get more YouTube subscribers without begging, without spamming, and without wasting your energy on things that don't move the needle. So let's get begin. Subscribers are a byproduct, not a goal. If you chase subscribers directly, you'll make weird decisions. You'll add desperate CTAs. You'll do sub for sub nonsense. You'll obsess over the numbers. But subscribers, they come from one question. Do I want more of this? That's it. When someone watches your video and thinks, I need to see what this person posts next, they subscribe. So the real question isn't, how do I get subscribers? No, it's how do I make people want more? That's completely a different focus. Step one, create return value. Most small creators, they focus on one-off value. They answer a question, they gave a tip, they deliver a joke, they move on. But subscribers grow when you create return value. Return value means your content feels connected. It feels like they're more coming. It feels like they're joining something. For example, okay, instead of randomly productivity tips, create a series called Building Discipline from Zero. Instead of random YouTube advice, create a series called Road to 10,000 Subscribers. When viewers sense continuity, you know, they subscribe because they don't want to miss the next chapter. You're not just making videos, you're building a journey, and people subscribe to journeys. And here's step two, be specific. General channels, they struggle to grow subscribers because viewers don't know what they're subscribing for. If your channel is gaming one week and, you know, motivation the next, vlogs after that, then finance advice, who is your audience? What are they signing up for? Clarity increases subscriptions. And when someone watches one of your videos and thinks, this channel is for people like me, they subscribe faster. Specific beats broad. Clear beats vague. Step three, earn the first impression, okay? Most subscription decisions happen in the first video someone sees from you. And that video might not be your best. So every upload should feel like someone's first impression of your channel. Ask yourself, does this video represent what I want to be known for? Is it clear what my channel is about within the first minute? If someone landed here randomly, would they understand my value? Small creators, they waste time polishing subscriber calls instead of polishing the first impressions. Fix the first 60 seconds. That's where subscription decisions start. Step four, deliver one strong transformation. People, they subscribe when they feel changed. Not entertained just for a moment, they feel changed. Maybe they learn something clearly, feel understood, they laugh harder than expected, or they gain confidence, or see a new perspective. But there must be impact. If your video feels like mild information with no strong takeaway, it's forgettable. Forgettable videos don't earn subscribers. Strong transformations do. So ask yourself, what is this before, after state of my viewer? Okay, before watching confused, after watching clearer. Okay, before watching they're discouraged, and after watching do they feel motivated? Before watching are they bored, and after watching are they energized? That shift creates loyalty. And here's step five. Stop begging, start positioning. Saying subscribe isn't bad, but timing matters. Instead of opening your video with make sure to subscribe, try earning it first. Deliver value, prove your perspective, show your style. Then say something like, if this helped you, I post videos like this every week. Now it feels natural and how it feels deserved. And you're not asking for charity. You're offering continued value. That's positioning, and positioning converts better than begging every time. Okay. Step six, create identity. People don't just subscribe to content. No, they subscribe to identity. They subscribe because they feel aligned. If your channel stands for something clear, subscribers grow fast. You know, maybe you're the no BS YouTube strategist, the brutally honest productivity guy. the chaotic but helpful entrepreneur, the funny but practical tech reviewer, whatever it is, okay, lean into it. Generic creators, they struggle. Distinct creators grow. If someone can describe your channel in one sentence, you're on the right track, okay? Step 7, use series and cliffhangers. This is powerful and underused. At the end of your video, hint it at what's next. Not in the clickbait way, in a connected way. For the next video, I'm breaking down exactly how to double your watch time without posting more. Now viewers have a reason to subscribe. They don't want to miss that. You create anticipation. Anticipation increases subscriptions. Step 8, improve your channel page. This is practical, but it's important. If someone clicks your channel after watching a video, what do they see? Is your banner clear? Does your bio explain who the channel's for? Are your thumbnails visually consistent? Do your titles show a clear niche? Your channel page should answer one question instantly. Why should I subscribe here? If it looks random or unclear, people hesitate and clarity converts it, okay? Step 9, focus on watch time over subscribers. This sounds backwards, but it works. If you focus on increasing your watch time and retention, you get more impressions. More impressions mean more viewers. More viewers mean more potential subscribers. Subscriber growth is downstream of attention. So instead of asking, how do I get 1,000 subscribers? Ask, how do I increase my average view duration by 1 minute? Small improvements in retention multiply distribution. Distribution multiplies exposure. Exposure multiplies subscribers. You see the chain? The subscribers are the end of the chain, not the beginning. And here's step 10. Be consistent long enough to be remembered. You can't grow subscribers if people forget you exist. Consistency doesn't mean daily uploads. It means predictable presence. When viewers know you show up regularly, trust builds. That trust increases subscribers. If you post randomly once every 3 months, it's harder to build momentum. Momentum matters, okay? Not because the algorithm rewards frequency blindly, but because familiarity, it builds faster. And being familiar increases the chance someone subscribes. So let's talk about what not to waste time on. Sub for subs, it kills engagements. Low engagement kills distribution, and dead to subscribers don't help your channel. Endless CTA reminders. If your video needs 5 reminders to subscribe, the value isn't strong enough. Over focusing on subscriber milestones, when you obsess over the numbers, you lose, sight of the viewers. Subscribers are people, not trophies. Now here's something important. Not every viewer should subscribe, and that's okay. Some people will watch one and leave. Your goal isn't to convert everyone. No, it's to convert the right ones, the ones who resonate, the ones who return, the ones who binge. The subscribers are powerful because they don't just add to your numbers. They drive your early performance on future uploads, which drives more exposure, which drives more growth. And high quality subscribers, they beat high quantity of subscribers every single time. So let's simplify this into one sentence. You get more subscribers when your video makes people think, I trust this creator. Trust comes from clarity, consistency, strong ideas, and strong executions. So instead of wasting time chasing numbers, do this, okay? Improve one thing per upload. A strong hook, cleaner editing, sharper titles, a clearer value. And over time, your videos get better. They will. As your videos get better, more people stay. As more people stay, more people subscribe. It's not glamorous. It's not instant, but it's predictable. And predictable growth beats random spikes. So if you want more YouTube subscribers without wasting your time, stop chasing the subscriber button. Chase excellence, chase clarity, chase impact. Make every video strong enough that not subscribing feels like missing out. And when you do that consistently, subscribers won't be something you beg for. They'll be something you earn. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you've seen and what you want to support the channel, buy me a coffee. I live on coffee here on the channel. Every morning I'm on here recording. So I live on coffee. Buy me a coffee if you want. That's more than happy. You don't have to, though. Thanks for watching, and check out this next video on the next page. It can help you grow your channel even more, and we'll catch you on the next one. Let's get some more views to your YouTube page and to mine as well. Let's work as a team. We'll catch you on the next one.